One of the most confusing things about using paper space is manipulating the layers in the viewports to get the information you want. In this case, in this set of drawings, we have a floor plan back here, okay, which we want to see all the dimensions and the notes for here. So when we get here to this sheet, this is supposed to be a furniture plan. And so we need to get rid of all the dimensions and notes that are visible in the drawing. Now there's a problem with that, isn't there? The problem with that is that if we erase them, they're erased on all the sheets. So what we're going to do is we're going to do what's called a viewport freeze. And to do that, we're going to grab our little freeze thing here, and we're just going to click on objects on the layers we want to freeze. Come on. And there we go. Now we've got just the objects we want to see visible. The other thing that did is revealed you need to go ahead and make sure you've got your concrete all the way here too. But it's that easy. Okay. So now then, if we open up the layer box, I'm going to get back up here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type layer so that the big layer box opens. I'm going to drag it over here to the screen, if it'll let me. Okay, so here's my big layer box. I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger again. Okay, so I can see here that it gives me a lot of options here, and it says VP here, and this is viewport freeze, and that refers to the current viewport. So if I move this over so I can actually see what I'm doing, aha, there we go. It's not cooperating with me real well today. Okay, so I can click into paper space or into model space, and you'll see now that I've got a couple of layers that are frozen, and that's in the current viewport. Okay, so the easiest way to freeze something in the viewport is to use the button, but you can also do it in the layer box. Okay, there you go. I hope that helps.